Did you know that voles play a more critical role in forest health than almost any other mammal by spreading essential fungi through the soil? Did you know that a vole's brain actually changes size depending on the season to help it survive harsh winter conditions? Did you know that some voles have developed a natural resistance to certain plant toxins that would be lethal to other mammals? Did you know that despite their small size, voles are the primary engine of the entire meadow ecosystem, supporting dozens of predator species? Voles are small rodents belonging to the subfamily Arvicolinae, which includes over 150 different species found across the northern hemisphere. While often mistaken for mice or gophers, voles are distinguished by their stouter bodies, shorter hairy tails, and smaller, less prominent ears. Voles are primarily herbivores, focusing their diet on a wide variety of grasses, herbaceous plants, bulbs, and even the bark of young trees. The meadow vole is one of the most common species in North America, known for its incredible ability to adapt to various grassy environments. Voles are incredibly active creatures, remaining busy throughout both the day and night in short bursts of intense activity. Unlike many other rodents that hibernate, voles remain active all winter long, tunneling beneath the snow in a hidden world called the subnivean zone. The subnivean zone provides a stable temperature for voles, protecting them from freezing winds and many surface predators. Voles are masters of runway construction, creating distinct paths through thick grass by clipping the blades close to the ground. These runways act as highways, allowing voles to move quickly between their burrow entrances and their preferred feeding spots. The prairie vole is a biological marvel in the scientific world because it is one of the few mammalian species that is strictly monogamous. Male and female prairie voles form pair bonds after mating, sharing a nest and raising their young together for their entire lives. Research shows that the hormone oxytocin plays a critical role in these pair bonds, creating a biological drive for loyalty and companionship. Voles are incredibly prolific breeders, with females capable of having their first litter at just 3 to 4 weeks of age. A female vole can have between 5 and 10 litters per year, with each litter containing up to a dozen pups. The gestation period for a vole is remarkably short, lasting only about 21 days from conception to birth. Vole populations are known for their dramatic cycles, where numbers can explode into plague levels every 3 to 5 years before naturally crashing. During a population peak, there can be several hundred voles living in a single acre of grassland. The water vole, native to Europe, is a semi-aquatic species that builds its burrows along the banks of rivers and streams. Water voles are excellent swimmers and have evolved thick, water-repellent fur to stay warm in chilly currents. Voles possess high-crowned teeth that grow continuously throughout their lives to compensate for the wear and tear of chewing tough grasses. The woodland vole, also known as the pine vole, spends almost its entire life underground in elaborate tunnel systems. Voles use their sharp front incisors not just for eating, but as tools for digging through compacted soil and roots. Vole burrows often feature multiple exits to allow for a quick escape if a predator, like a weasel, enters the tunnel. The social structure of voles varies wildly by species, with some being highly solitary while others live in communal family groups. Voles serve as a buffer species in the wild, meaning they provide a primary food source for hawks, owls, foxes, and snakes. Because so many animals eat voles, they are often referred to as the bread of the prairie or nature's fast food. Voles have a very short lifespan in the wild, typically living for less than a year due to high predation rates. Despite their short lives, voles have a significant impact on soil health by aerating the earth through their constant digging. Voles help distribute nutrients by burying organic matter and seeds deep within the soil layers. The urine of a vole reflects ultraviolet light, which allows other voles to see active trails even in low light conditions. Unfortunately for the vole, some birds of prey, like kestrels, can also see this UV light, using it to track voles from the sky. Voles are known to store food in underground pantries to ensure they have enough to eat during the lean winter months. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these amazing vole facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite fact in the comments. Stay tuned for more incredible wildlife stories, and click the next video to continue exploring the wonders of the animal kingdom.